Now, if your Instax Mini 12 is stuck showing S and it won't move to the next number, don't worry, this is a common issue and it usually happens when the camera isn't detecting the film pack correctly. So first, let's quickly explain what S means. On the Instax Mini 12, S stands for Start. Basically, it means the camera still believes the film pack hasn't started yet, meaning the camera hasn't successfully recognized the film or ejected the first protective sheet. So here's what you need to do. Step 1. Check the film pack alignment. First things first, open the back cover and take a look at the film pack. You'll see a yellow mark on the film pack and a yellow mark inside the camera. These two marks must line up perfectly. If the film pack is even slightly tilted or not sitting flat, the camera won't detect it and it will stay stuck on S. So push the pack down gently so it sits properly. Step 2. Make sure the black protective sheet ejects. Now, when you insert a new film pack, the first shutter press should eject the black protective cover sheet. If that black sheet never comes out, the camera will stay on S because it thinks the film hasn't started. So close the back cover properly and press the shutter once to see if the black sheet ejects. Step 3. Remove and reinsert the film pack. If it still stays on S, open the back again and carefully remove the film pack. Wait around 5 seconds, then insert it back in firmly. Make sure you don't touch the film area or film window because fingerprints can ruin your shots. Step 4. Replace the batteries. Now, another big cause of this problem is weak batteries. If the batteries are low, the camera motor may not have enough power to eject the black cover sheet. So replace both AA batteries with fresh ones. Then try again. Step 5. Make sure the back cover closes completely. Also, make sure the back cover is closed tightly. Close it until you hear a click. If the cover isn't fully locked, the camera may fail to read the film pack, and it won't move past S. Step 6. Try a different film pack. Now, if you've done everything and it still stays on S, try using a completely new film pack. Sometimes a damaged pack or bent film tab prevents proper detection. And if even a new film pack doesn't work, then the camera sensor or internal mechanism may need servicing. And that's about it. Hopefully this video helped you fix Instax Mini 12 stuck on S. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Now, if you want to refresh an AirTag location, well, there are a few.